Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy in Vishveshwarya Group of Institutions. My teaching learning methodology is metacognition. Metacognition is about thinking. Here, a learner actually develops his own cognitive skills by identifying his own weaknesses and strengths. The student here actually uses his prior knowledge, his attention and his memory to answer a question or to achieve to a target. Here the student actually plans, monitors and evaluate his own learning process and also incorporate this knowledge into a activity. So now we can see the activity which is going to take place on basis of metacognition. For you all, a patient has been admitted to the hospital and he has been injected with injection altiplase. So can you tell me which disease is he suffering from? Anybody? Yes?
Is the patient having symptoms like heart palpitations, unconscious mind, numbness in limb?
Yes, yeah, he's having.
Ma'am, is the level of troponin and keratin phosphokinase elevated?
Yes, it is elevated.
Ma'am, then there must be an elevation in MRI value and ECG value. The T value of ECG is higher than the QRS complex, which is a remarkable sign for the heart stroke.
Yeah, it is elevated.
So catheters must be inserted to that patient. Catheters is inserted through thigh arteries, which is linked to the heart vein and diagnose clot in it.
Yeah, it is inserted.
As you initially told about the drug, which is articulase, which is generally falls under the category of TPA, which is tissue plasminogen activator, which is generally used to break down the clots in heart arteries.
Yes.
Ma'am, after going through all the reports, symptoms and treatment which was given to the patient, it is confirmed that the patient is suffering from heart stroke.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. The patient has been suffering from heart stroke, so he has been injected with the TPA category of drug, right? So your answer is absolutely right. Here, through this activity or through this session, you have actually seen your skills. These skills are cognitive skills, which actually means that you have used your memory, your prior knowledge, and you have logically approached to an answer which has been asked to you. So this is a metacognition technique of teaching and learning, which a learner actually learns and uses his knowledge to achieve a question or a task, right?
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you.